welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today on day 2, went ahead and first started out by mounting some boxes. This is just a before shot. 2 boxes on the wall, nothing below, nothing above. I guess I didn't show the afterwards, but we'll get to that in a second. From there, I went ahead and went upstairs to the OR room, threw a blank cover on here, so I had to get my bunny suit on. Brought a blank cover up, brought some screws up, and that was that. That was the second thing I did today. The third thing I did today was work on putting these receptacles back in. This is the before, I didn't get it after, but I put the 2 receptacles back in, GFCIs, and put 2 of these little bubble cover lockable things on top of them. So I got those 2 done. And then I went back and did like 8 more boxes. So this was the 4th thing that I did today. So I got like 8, I got 10 of these in a row, and then 2 to the left underneath of this panel because I ran out of room. So I got little LBs in the corner with some tiny bit of flex with some offset nipples. This one had some more room originally, so that one's just going in nice. The 5th thing that I did today was tie in circuit 38, so I pushed a couple of wires, black and white, down through this box that I worked on before. Mounted that a long time ago for our shutdown, and also this Hoffman box. This did look good before someone destroyed it. I don't know who it was, but it is what it is. So I tied those together, got those all labeled with number tapes, or numbers, whatever you want to call it. I don't know anymore. I'm barely an electrician these days. I don't really remember that much from my road trip. So anyways, I'm getting reacquainted with work. It's been a while. But anyways, got the Hoffman box closed up, and I got the I got the cover on the 8x8 put back on, and I shoved the 2 wires through the left 90. And then the 6th and 7th thing that I did today was help Steven with some core drilling layout, and also cleaned off my cart for the rest of the day and put my tools away in my lockable T-cart. But anyways, that's going to wrap it up. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Thanks for watching. Did I not just say that? Thank you. God bless. Have an awesome rest of the day. I will see you in the next one. Hope you enjoyed. Peace.